Are you tired of unexpected downtimes and inefficiencies in your facility? Do you wish you could detect and resolve issues before they escalate? Wouldn't it be nice to have someone watch over everything for you 24/7 in real time? What if I told you there was a software for industrial automation that allowed you to detect problems before they happen? Let me introduce you to Daemon AI. Daemon AI is a software that uses advanced image classification and real time video monitoring to keep a constant watch over your operations. So, how does it work? Daemon AI is custom trained to help your facility run optimally. First, you provide Daemon AI with footage of troublesome areas in your operations. You click train, and the AI analyzes frames at high speed and learns to detect various operational states. Second, Daemon AI uses its training data to identify and classify these operational states in real time. Based on the data, it can recognize normal operations and detect anomalies. Third, when an issue is detected, Daemon AI provides real time alerts to operators. These alerts are visual with changing border colors and can also be integrated into your existing PLC systems for automated responses. This immediate notification allows operators to address problems quickly, reducing downtime and preventing minor issues from escalating. Fourth, with enough training data, Daemon AI can be programmed to automatically adjust processes or stop the line to prevent damage and maintain smooth operations. Finally, detailed timestamps are recorded that can be uploaded to your reporting software, providing insights into your operations, allowing you to optimize processes and maintain peak efficiency. Are you ready to see how Daemon AI can help make your operation better, faster, and smarter? Visit daemonautomation.com to book your free consultation today.